Hi, this is Andy from GPS Training. In this video we're going to take our first look at the brand new Garmin Fenix 5 Plus watch that we've now got in stock. We're stocking the version with the silver bezel and the black silicone strap. This is an upgrade from the standard Fenix watch and we'll cover some of the features of the watch once we unbox it. So this is the Fenix 5X in the box, so we're just going to open up the box. I've already taken off the sticky label on the bottom just to keep the box together, and we can see the watch sitting in the box here with the nice, it's got the silver bezel. I'll turn it around so it's the right way around there. Got the silver bezel and it's a black silicone strap, so I'm just going to take this out of the box. Actually, initially it doesn't feel very much weight on the watch, which is great for a nice large watch. So I'm just going to undo the strap here and we'll have a look at the watch with it undone from the packaging. So initial feel of the watch, it actually doesn't feel too heavy. On paper this watch is 86 grams, so it's virtually the same weight as the original Fenix 5. A little bit lighter than the Fenix 5X, that was 98 grams. The bezel on it is the same size as the Fenix 5 and just slightly smaller than the Fenix 5X. So the bezel's a 47mm bezel. The actual display is the same size as the 5 and the original 5X, so it's still got that 1.2 inch or 30.5mm display. So it's got a nice silicone strap, it's got a nice soft feel to the strap. Watch bezel, like I say, isn't too big. I'm just going to sit it on my wrist so it gives you an idea of it on my wrist there. The back of the unit, if I turn it over, this is turned off at the moment, of course, we've just taken it out of the box for the first time. It has the optical heart rate sensor I can see on the back here, and we've got the charging port on the back of this stainless steel back. It is a robust, tough watch, same as the original watches, has a high weather rating and it can go down to 100 meters in water. The big changes with the watch that we'll see actually written on the side of the box. I'm just going to move this box to one side. On the side of the box, you find Garmin always put the features on the side of the box. And what we've noticed already, and from reading up on the watch, some of the big changes with this watch are it now has the Galileo satellite system. So as well as picking up GPS and GLONASS, which is the American and Russian system, it also picks up the Galileo European satellite system. So potentially a stronger, faster satellite fix. It also has this music play on the unit now, so you can actually put 500 songs onto the unit and then you can use it with some Bluetooth headphones not included, so you can listen to music on the go. It's got Garmin Pay, so it can be linked to bank accounts for paying, a bit like the Apple Pay watches. You can use Garmin Pay. But one of the big things for us, other than all those extra features, this watch actually has mapping loaded on now. With the actual screen cover we've got on here, this is just a plastic cover to protect the screen. When it's in the box, it's actually displaying a map, so that gives you a clue. This watch is actually loaded with Garmin's full European topo active mapping, so it's great for routing, especially when you're running, cycling, and again you could for hiking still use mapping that's on the unit. So it's great that we've got mapping built in. The original Fenix 5 didn't have any mapping on it, so this is the same idea as we had on the Fenix 5X. It has this European mapping loaded on the unit for all of Europe, so that's a great new feature. So initial thoughts until we actually turn the unit on and start using it. It feels a nice watch. Weight of it's not too bad, strap feels nice and soft, and I think those extra features of now having the Galileo satellite system, the full mapping loaded on the unit, and having those extra features like the music and the Garmin Pay is a nice extra feature. I know battery life isn't far off what you got on the Fenix 5, 18 hours using GPS. If you were using GPS and playing music, that would be reduced to about 8 hours if you were playing music with the unit. I'm just going to see what else is in the box. I'm pretty sure we'll have a charging cable in here. So we can see in here a USB charging cable. So that's going to plug onto the back of the unit. So again, we've got the charging port on the back of the unit, and then you would just use a standard USB 5V plug to charge it. And then in the box at the bottom there, there's a quick start guide from Garmin. What we're doing at GPS Training, we're starting to put some videos together on using the watches, so you'll start seeing videos added to our online training course. And in some of the next videos, we'll start looking at the unit in a little bit more detail, showing you what the screen's like and the maps look like. So our initial thoughts are we really like the watch because of the new features, and having the watch now, the option of the 5 watch, it's called the 5 Plus of course now, with the maps on, and it'll be great to get out and try it with the Galileo satellite system. So we hope you found this video useful. We've got these watches in stock now with the silver bezel and the black watch in our GPS store under the watches section, under the fitness watches and wrist-based GPS devices. And thanks for watching this video.